new conspiracy theory has surfaced on the internet, according to which world is going to end on 21st June 2020. You probably have already seen this news on many social platforms. So today we shall be talking about why this theory again came back to existence and is there any truth behind it. Hey viewers, welcome back to Birdbox, and if you are new, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification by clicking the bell icon. This theory surfaced back again because some of the researchers suggested that we were reading the Mayan's calendar all wrong from the beginning itself. You heard it right? Mayan calendar is the same calendar according to which our Earth was going to be doomed on 21st of December 2012. This news gained more popularity when scientist Paulo tweeted about it. According to him, if we follow the Julian calendar, we are technically in the year 2012. To verify his theory, he said that a switch from the Julian calendar to the Georgian calendar in the 18th century meant that 11 days were lost in every single year. If that was the case, the total number of days unaccounted for would add up to 8 years. If we add these 8 years from the original doomsday, that was 21st of December 2012, we will get a new date, which is 21st of June 2020. But scientist Paulo lately deleted his tweet. Along with this theory, a newly discovered planet named Nibiru is believed to be the cause of our extinction as it is moving towards the Earth. These are the reasons why this conspiracy theory came back to the existence again. But in reality, this theory is a complete lie. A thrilling story in which our Earth will be destroyed by some cosmic collision will happen within the realms of pop science fiction movies, and not in the real life, or not on 21st June for sure. Because NASA also confirmed that there was no mysterious planet or other cosmic object plotting our doom back in the year 2012 and still today in the year 2020. If something like this was about to happen, scientists would have already spotted it at least a decade before its arrival. So there's nothing to be worried about. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and families.